Hi, this is Daniel Scrivner here with a quick preview of the next episode of our Incredible Founder series, which comes out tomorrow. In it, I'm joined by Illia Polosukhin, co-founder of Near Protocol. Near is a layer 1 blockchain that's incredibly fast, has very low transaction fees, and is climate neutral, in part because of its proof-of-stake model. It's traded on crypto exchanges under the ticker symbol NEAR and has a market cap of just under $5 billion today. From 2020 through 2021, the developers working in Near's ecosystem, that's the people building applications on top of their blockchain, quadrupled in size, making Near the second fastest growing chain behind only Solana. This episode is a fascinating deep dive into Near, the Near ecosystem, the origin story, and what it takes to build a leading blockchain capable of competing with Ethereum and Solana. In tomorrow's episode, Illia and I go deep on why proof of stake beats proof of work, and why Illia is always looking to build technology that's more efficient, that can do more with less. We talk about how Near approached scaling and why they went through 3 separate designs, all of which failed before arriving at the sharding method that they use today. How Near is building a global decentralized community that includes regional hubs located around the world from Europe to Africa, all of which include their own accelerators, developer grants, community education, and events. We talk about what it's like to found a project and take it from a centralized team of just a few people to a decentralized community of hundreds of thousands of people located around the world. And how Illia raised more than $10 million to help fund aid in war toward Ukraine through his Unchained Fund. And so here, Illia is an incredibly impressive founder, but more importantly, he's an incredible, thoughtful engineer, leader, and community builder that's built something incredible slowly and methodically, one step at a time. Here's one of my favorite moments from tomorrow's episode. Tune in tomorrow to listen to the full thing. The question I want to ask just really simply at a high level is, how do you personally handle fear and anxiety when you're building in crypto? And then a second is just advice, to yourself and other developers or builders listening about what to do now, because we're again in another moment in time in crypto where there's extreme volatility and it feels like an existential threat, at least to some people in some parts of the ecosystem.
Yeah, So we started thinking about blockchain in May, and then we started in August, and we fundraised in I think September or something, and October, and we closed our fundraise, and market went up a little bit. It's pretty much every time we fundraise, one way or another, there's some market going down, and probably somebody needs to start trading on that. And then obviously, we were doing another fundraise in the beginning of 2020 when March 12th happened,
Another
which was super
time.
interesting. Yeah. And so generally, at this point, it's been so many times already that it's kind of okay, fine. I think the interesting thing that changed, right? In 2018, I talked with my ex-colleagues at that point at Google, and when I said, well, we're doing blockchain now, they're like, what are you guys scamming now, people? That was kind of the thing. But then the same people are now invested in this. They are interested. They've suggested ideas and projects for sustainability as well, for example, or for using this with AI. And so the reality is the shift has happened. The mentality is already there. So there's market volatility, and there will be market volatility. The equity market is volatile as well. That doesn't mean people stopped using Google or Facebook, or those companies stopped pretty much making billions of dollars. And we see by all metrics, usage is there, people are there, more and more really good Web2 people are coming as well. They are interested, and they see the space as actually the next wave. And so I think keep calm and build on. That's really the
keep calm and build on. I like it. I haven't heard that exact phrasing.
That's I posted that too. We have this chat with a lot of Near ecosystem founders. So this is what I posted to them.